Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Murray. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings. We have the CAUSEBOX summer box to unbox for you. I also do a ton of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. Put a link for that in the description box down below. It'll take you to that video's giveaway as well as my many other giveaways. We're even having a giveaway in this video. 2 number 1 rules for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber. I do check. Do this as a way for me to get back to you and watch this video in its entirety. So those are the 2 biggest things. So let's talk a little bit about CAUSEBOX. I am so excited about CAUSEBOX. They are one of my favorite subscription boxes. They have art and lifestyle type things, jewelry and apparel and home goods, as well as some beauty items, either makeup or skincare. I'm so excited about this. One of the reasons why I'm so excited about CAUSEBOX is because they do the right thing. They give back to the community. So all the brands are naturally sourced, cruelty-free items. They have whenever you buy something from this brand, they're always giving back to the community. So that's what I really love about them. So like I said, CAUSEBOX is seasonal. It ships out every quarter, and it either ships out $54.95 for 1 box, or if you do the annual membership, it's $49.95 per box for a total of $198.80 a year. Let's find out what's in the summer one. I'm so excited. I will say that it is a super heavy box for whatever reason. So I haven't seen any spoilers, so let's get into it. There's always a little magazine, talks about the items inside, as well as different tips and tricks for kind of how to use these items and how that company is giving back. So love it. There's always a cute little postcard. This one is designed by Anna Koveskas. Totally reminds me of summer. So you could pick out the color for this one. And this is the PMD Beauty PMD Clean in blush, navy, or teal. I picked the navy one out because I'm gonna give it to my son who's going off to college here in next month. It is a smart facial cleansing device that helps firm skin while you clean. Loved by clean beauty connoisseurs internet-wide. It does have a $99 value. So right there, you just pay for your box. So there is from Feya and Candle Company is the Reed Diffuser, and you could have either gotten it in white tea and ginger or bergamot and grapefruit. I chose the white tea and ginger. And bring the senses of summer to your home. With each purchase, Feya Candle Company gives meals to those in need. Love that. This does retail for $35, and it does have 7 reeds. And then here is your white tea and ginger. Here are the reasons why this box is so heavy. It has the Pepper and Vetiver set of 3 nesting bowls, designed in partnership with LA-based artist Aaron Wolf, featuring blended blue-green hues and textures, undulating shapes. Retails for $36. They just all nest in here. Look how pretty that is. I love these colors. They're all so calming. So here's this big one. The medium one. I love the gradient on this. And then here's your small one. Perfect for like soup or ice cream. These are so pretty. excited about these. They're the cheapest thing in here, and I'm super excited about it. It's from Altcooking Hub. It's a set of 6 silicone stretch lids, and I've always wanted to have some of these. It's created to reduce plastic and food waste in the kitchen. Durable, reusable, and leak-free. Say goodbye to cling wrap. Retail for $8. And you just stretch this over your bowl, and then you don't have any, more cling wrap. What I love about these is you can also put it like over a cantaloupe or watermelon or anything like that too. They are food safe, microwavable safe, dishwasher safe in the top rack, freezer safe, leak proof safe, and BPA free. Love these. Like I said, you do get 6 of them in here for $8. From Honua Hawaiian Skincare is the Malu Day Cream SPF 30+. It's made with locally sourced ingredients. Keeps skin protected while you're out in the sun. Retails for $42. I'm not going to open this one just quite yet. I have another sunscreen that I'm going through right now. You could have gotten, instead of this, the Matter Boomy Fringe Earrings. Retail for $40, or the Essential Oil Roll-On Duo retails for $30. I chose the skincare. And for the next choice item, you could have either gotten the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, retails for $30, or the Nanica Juice Cleanse Citrus Bath Salts, retail for $20. I did choose the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Does say keep it simple with only 3 ingredients. Great for healing chapped lips, fresh tattoos, scrapes, and more. And I'll tell you why I picked this, because I already have it and I love it. With all the hand washing that all of us are doing, and when I'm out and about and I'm doing a ton of hand washing, especially around my knuckles for whatever reason, they have a tendency to get chapped. And what I do is I put like a little bit of this. It has the consistency of kind of like a Vaseline is what it reminds me of. And I just rub that on here and rub it on here. And with 1 to 2 days, my hands are back to normal. Love this stuff. I keep it by my bedside for when my hands need a little extra TLC. The last product in here is from Grace and Stella. It's our hyaluronic acid serum. Tried this, love this. This is your new hydration superpower. Helps moisturize and smooth fine lines, leaving skin dewy and radiant. I personally like my skin more on the dewy side, so love this. Because I already have it though, this is what we're gonna give away in today's giveaway. So, really quick, it was a great box. I loved basically everything in here. Love CAUSEBOX. They are such a great company. And the retail value of this box was $275. You totally got your money's worth in this box. What you need to do for this, like I said before, watch this video in its entirety. I'm really trying to get my watch time minutes up. I've got to get this thing monetized, you guys. And be a subscriber once we hit that big subscriber milestone that I'm super close to. I have a huge giveaway for you guys, so help us get there. I do all my giveaways on Google Forms. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on it so that way I can verify, yes, this person is a subscriber. So let's have this giveaway go through July 27th. On July 28th, I'll do a random number picker, and that will go ahead and pick the winner from the entries. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, loss in transit, damaged to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased this a way for me to get back to you. I love being a little ray of sunshine in this like crazy world that we've got going on. You must be 18 years or older to enter the giveaway. I do have 2 bonus entries if you want to do them for extra entries into the giveaway. Number 1, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. That will give you an extra bonus entry, as well as if you share this video, that will give you an extra bonus entry as well. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, please check them out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe out there, and good luck in the giveaway, and I will see you soon. Bye.